Hello guys, this time we don't have a soundbar to present or to test. It's a sound desk they call it. So in front we have a grill, metallic. It comes from the company Canton, the European one, Canton. On the top has this kind of plexiglass reflective one. And the purpose of this is to put our TV, as we have done here, with this new Philips 807, with this nice stand. This Philips has a nice stand, as we have presented in another video. And underneath we have this enormous, huge, big sound bar from Canton. The name is Sounddeck 100. It's actually a 2.1 channels sound bar and has a display in front. Here it has a display. So you can see the display, the volume, or you can say it's mode, movies, music, standards. Let's put it music, movies, or the sound bass to adjust mid, treble. So this is the remote control that the sound bar comes with. You see this how it is designed, takes this kind of battery, and the buttons are straightforward. The sound bar has no app, but you can use it with the Chromecast system from Google app, from Google Home app. Box comes with this HDMI cable for our first connection. It comes with an optical toslink cable as well. Analog RCA cable because it has analog inputs as well, and the power cable. So as we said, this sound bar from Canton, it's a networking one. It's capable of accepting streaming from Spotify, Spotify Connect, AirPlay 2, and Google Cast from Google Home app. So we can pair to these speakers wireless ones, surround speakers, in order to expand it from 2.1 to 5.1.2. because it's a Dolby Atmos soundbar and decodes everything from Dolby Digital multi-channels, DTS HD, DTS Digital Surround, Digital Stereo. So you will have no problem with this soundbar because maybe it's not coming from a big, well-known company for a TV, from a TV company, but this one, it's audio oriented with all the features. Now it's updating because we probably discovered a new firmware.
Is it nice and easy, clean? Oh yeah, who's on? What's right? Alright, super!
Movie, music and stereo modes.
I watch them bloom for me and you.
So as you can see here, you see how looks the sound bar. We have the TV from Philips with the rotating stand here. So if you have a TV, a tabletop TV, why don't use a speaker like this instead of a regular sound bar? Because it looks good. You see how shiny is this, and it makes better sound because of the volume of this. The height is 7 centimeters, the depth is 35 centimeters, and all the front face, you see all the front face is exactly 1 meter. So that's why they call it 100, because it's 100 centimeters. First of all, we have 4 HDMIs. 3 inputs, as you can see. HDMI 1, 2, 3, and 1 output for the ARC to connect your television. So we can connect sources here, Blu-ray, DVD player, whatever we like, even satellite receivers, and drive our TV from here. And then on this side we have optical output, USB for service, Ethernet connection if we don't like the Wi-Fi for a better signal. Then the black one RCH sub out, the orange one is the digital coaxial SPDIF input. That means we have optical and coaxial input, digital ones. And then we have input stereo analog input, so we can connect our analog sources here easily. And then we have the plug for the mains. On the bottom, underneath there are 4 drivers, as you can see, flat ones, aluminum, let's say cone. It's not a cone, it's a flat, but you see how well it's designed in order to create the lower frequencies. But in any case, I suggest if you buy this sound deck to use this black output here, RCA, to connect your active subwoofer, because if you apply active subwoofer to this soundbar, becomes enormous, extremely good. So it's a 2.1 because the subwoofer now is built in, but if you apply your own external subwoofer, it becomes like a stereo hi-fi system. So one of the ports is on this side, and from the other side you have another port. So let's have a look on the drivers just to take a taste what is all about. You see how big is this driver here? See the magnet? See how it's manufactured? Metallic chassis. It's a regular driver for a big speaker, but this one comes with this sound bar. There are 4 like this. This is just for the bass, you see, exactly the same. Big, huge magnet for this kind of driver with this kind of technology, flat cones, and the 4th one. So inside the cabinet, as you can see, it's not a plastic, it's a wood, MDF, you see. It's wood with a lot of braces, a lot of extra work, woodwork inside. We have this special material. You see the thickness for the static waves and to play better. And then we have on the back the bass ports. The electronics are here. We can see here the power supply of the soundbar, well implemented with this white glue in order to absorb the vibrations and the components to stay in place. Then we have the Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi wireless boards for the connection, and then for the wireless surround speakers. Here is one of the antennas down there, you see, and from the other side we have another antenna. So for these details we can recognize that this soundbar is very well implemented. It is using Class D amplification for these 2.1 channels, and all these 4 drivers are the 0.1 channel, you see. Underneath as well we have these pads, 5 of them, wood everywhere, metallic grill, and glass, artificial glass on the top. So guys, that was the presentation of the new Canton soundbar, sound desk, soundboard, sound stand 100. Thanks for watching.